Hey everyone, doing a quick air up. Didn't air down too low to do this trail. We're right here at Tin Cup, but I got a little bit of a new system. I've always had this. This is the Viair 300P, but I had to get a new tubing system, and then I ended up going with the ARB air chuck. This thing is sweet, digital system, digital readout. The reason I had to do that is that this is a straight on port. The one that comes with the Viair is at like an angle, and with the new TRD wheels, it wouldn't actually fit on there. But I'm not too upset about it because I go ahead and get the ARB air chuck, and this thing is pretty sweet. Just the capability of being able to dial in exactly what you want super quick. So I'm gonna get this all plugged in and air back up. On these new Falcon Wild Peaks, we like to air down to about 25. I don't like going too much lower as I don't want to unbead the tire. That's a pretty difficult field fix. For highway mileage, we air back up to 48 or 48.5. Tire pressures vary per tire, so make sure you check the sidewall or just the manufacturer recommendations for your specific tire. Using this Viair 300P and the new ARB air chuck, it takes about 3 minutes per tire to air up. Always remember to put your valve stem caps back on, and remember that the compressor and the components will be very hot after the use, so be careful. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.